Yun, kakain na kami. Yung kaibigan ko. Kaibigan ko, si Kapila from Sri Lanka. We will eat lunch now here at the sa address.
They're too much crowded.
Why?
Some work there.
Where we eat now?
Huh? I don't know.
Yeah, in my car?
Yeah, that area.
Your area?
No, here was open.
Back of your car, no? Doon kami sa kotse niya kakain. Wala kasi pwesto ka
I
na.
have one chair. I bring two here. Two of it. Because I told him.
Yeah, you should bring your chair. Ganito po ang buhay driver dito sa Dubai. Ayan. Magbabaon po kami. Pinunta namin yung pwesto na. Ayun. Yes. Dito po yung pwesto namin. Grabe, ang gaganda ng mga sakyan dito. Ayan na kami. Yun, sa Kinubatan. Yan, dito po ang aming dining area. Dito po kami maglalunch. It's my friend, Kapila from Sri Lanka. He is Christian. Bye guys, we will eat now.